What's up everybody, it's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you really quickly how easy it is to switch the battery in your key fob once it dies. Now this is for a Mazda 3 hatchback. It's the key fob, it's the same, I think it's the same key fob as we have for our CX-5, but it's a super simple thing. Now if your battery does ever run out and you need to get into your car and the key fob's not working, here is the little tab on the back that allows you to take the key out and actually unlock your car like a normal key. So in emergencies, if you need to take your key out, you can, and it's a super simple thing. You just pop it out here and then you unlock your car. Now, also what you need to know is if your key fob isn't working properly and the battery is dead, that means when you get in the car, the engine's not going to start properly. It's going to think that the car does not have the key inside of it. So the workaround to this is you literally put this on the ignition button itself and you press this into it and it'll start your car, even if this battery is dead. So there's a little tip and a trick if you didn't already know that. All right, so we're gonna go inside, we're going to take this apart and we're gonna put a new battery in it so that it can start the car super duper easy. All right, so yes, it's working. Sweet. So literally that was what, less than 5 minutes? I mean, literally it took me 30 seconds to actually do this part, maybe a minute, but super simple. So if you like this, give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you in the next video, and until next time, drive your neighbors crazy.